Hello everyone. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Lynette and I'm with Neuro Consulting Solutions. At Neuro Consulting Solutions, we've revamped and redesigned materials to make each step or process easy to follow for everyone. We find that visuals help those with language barriers, disabilities, and individuals who just learn better through photos. Clients reports that productivity rates go up and the delivery of service is consistent. Today, I'll be demonstrating how we can use visuals in the kitchen. The recipe that we will be using today was designed and created for a culinary client that trains individuals with all abilities to build a meaningful career path in the food service industry. As we approach Thanksgiving, and I love to bake, I thought this would be a fun way to share an easy to follow recipe and serve delicious muffins for my family and friends on Thanksgiving morning. So I enjoy making this apple cranberry muffin recipe because it is easy to follow, quick to make, and tasty for this fall weather. The ingredients for this muffin is going to be about a cup of dried cranberries, 1 apple. It can be green or red. Today I am using Granny Smith to complement the tartness of the cranberries. 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1.5 cups of flour. I am using all-purpose white flour today. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and ground cinnamon, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, about a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and sour cream, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first thing to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, I will wash my hands before I begin grabbing ingredients and mixing my batter. After that, in a large bowl, I will go ahead and mix the dried ingredients together. I will start with the flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt, and then mix it all together. Then I will grab a medium-sized bowl to mix the wet ingredients together. First, I will crack the eggs, add the brown sugar, vegetable oil, sour cream, and vanilla. I will also grab a whisk to blend the ingredients together and then put it aside. Next, I'm going to prepare the apple by rinsing it under the sink, then cut it into small pieces using the cutting board. Cut the apple into small pieces on the cutting board and throw away the core. The smaller the pieces are, the faster it will bake and it won't be as crunchy. I like to let the walnuts add the extra crunch while the apple adds an additional layer of flavor. After that, I will add the apples, cranberries, and walnuts in the medium bowl with the wet ingredients. Using a silicone spatula, I will fold the ingredients together into the dry one. Make sure not to overmix because it can make the muffins dense and tougher to eat. Next, I am going to place the muffin cups into the pan. I will grease the cups before adding my batter. Then I will use a 1/3 measuring cup to scoop the batter. Once all the muffin cups are filled, I will transfer this to the oven and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. I like to check in the 20-minute mark because I can see if the muffin top is peaking or I need to adjust the time. Once I see they have a golden top, I take out the muffins. To make sure the muffins are ready, you can insert a toothpick. You poke the toothpick at the center and want it to come out clean with small crumbly bites, indicating that there is no excess moisture and it is ready. As tempting as it can be, I hold myself and loved ones from removing the hot muffins from the pan because it can cause the hot muffins to fall apart and someone can get burnt. To cool down the muffins, let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes before enjoying them. And there it is, my friends, the Apple Cranberry Muffin. As I mentioned earlier, visuals can be used practically anywhere, even in the kitchen. If you would like to use this recipe, go ahead, scan the QR code to download it. Also, if you would like to see other ways of using visuals in your organization or team, feel free to message us directly. From my family and NCS to yours, we wish you a wonderful and delicious Thanksgiving holiday.